Kevin again with another dollar origami video. In this one I'm going to show you a couple of flying airplanes. Now there's some other models out there that I'll probably be getting to and that you may have seen around that are models that you sit around. These will actually fly really well, especially this long one is good for distance. And the long one's pretty basic. You might recognize it. It's a real common one for people to make, but nobody is born knowing how to make these. And this one's a little more complicated. It's an interesting fold, and I'll show you how to do both of them. For the long one, let's start with that one first. $1 bill, or any denomination, works just fine. Fold it in half first. Lengthways. Try to get this one as symmetrical as you can. And fairly new crispy money helps. This model is more forgiving than this one is on crispiness. Fold down an edge. Once you've unfolded it flat again, fold down to the center. Like that. Bring the other corner down the same way. Fold it down again to a finer point. And on the other side, same thing. So you get a double point there. Then fold it backwards down that center line you made. Fold, take the top edge and fold that up to the top, like that, nice crease. Got some of my other designs sitting out here. Check out some of the other videos if you'd like. I'll show you how to make all of these things, especially the skull, that's my favorite one. Okay, that's all there is to that one. Just bend the wings up to flatten them out. And this sucker will fly. Just give it a toss and there it goes. Okay. Now I'll show you how to make the little stumpy one, which also flies really well. This is a fun one to play around with. Put a paper clip on the back or bend one of these wings up or down a little bit and give it a throw. It'll do some spirals. This one's a fun one to experiment around with. I'll show you how to do it on a $2 bill, which is totally legitimate. People talk about $2 bills like they're something super scarce and rare and lucky, and people collect them, and really all you have to do is go to a bank and say, "May I have some, please, $2 bills?" And they'll say, "Yes, how many would you like?" Because it's just currency. You don't see them in circulation very often, but they're really not a big deal. This one starts out the same by folding down the center and then make a point at one end, either end, doesn't matter. Here's where it diverges though. You bring this side down, fold it in half. Bring the tip past the edge just a little bit, about like that. And turn it over and fold that tip over. Kind of gonna lock the rear end in place. Grease it down good. And then at this side, the opposite side from the tip you just folded over, again we're gonna bring down, and this time it's a double layer. Bring them down to the center. And try to keep things as symmetrical as you can as you do this. again, fold it like you did on the other one, backwards, and include that point. Fold that in half too, like so. Got that folded in half. And now fold up to the center. Take a layer and fold it up like that. Crease it down good. Turn it over. And fold this wing up too. And fold the wings out. Hold it like that when you throw it. And you and I have just made airplanes that fly. Hope you have fun with these. I know they're fun to toss around. Be careful not to lose your money. Throw them around inside or in some controlled environment. Don't get too carried away, because you don't want to actually lose your money, because they do fly a ways. Be careful outside or in some big stadium or anything. Yeah, you might never see it again. But anyway, this is Kevin. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you thought of these airplanes and what you did with them, where you flew them. I'll catch you next time. Thank you.